Hello everybody, I'm here in my hometown, Campos do Jordão, and I'm gonna give you guys a house tour of the house where I grew up. So basically, this is it. This house tour can give you some vocabulary as well. So I first would like to talk about the construction we have here. So this type of house I was researching on the internet because, you know, there are many types of house, and one house like that I could see on Google Images, it was a ranch house. So this behind me is the garage. It's a 2-car garage. Talking a little bit more about the house, it's a 1-story or single-story 3-bedroom house. So it has just 1 floor and it has 3 bedrooms. So there are 3 bedrooms, 1 kitchen, a living room, and a bathroom. And outside here there is a bedroom. It used to be my bedroom. Talking about the space we are right now, this is a yard, and growing up here was fantastic because the yard here is very big. We also have a very good view of the landscape, so it's fantastic, especially when you are just starting your life. I used to take a look at the ants working. I used to have contact with butterflies. As you can see here, there is also a vegetable garden, a small one, but it's right here with some vegetables. There is even a carrot here. I don't know if it's possible for you guys to see it. There are many birds here, and when I was a kid I always had a dog, so because of that there are some dog houses here. Another thing that we used to use a lot is the shed. So this is a shed. Actually, nowadays my aunt keeps there some tools, some things to take care of the yard or gardening tools, but it used to be a place where I used to play with my friends as well. And here, if you take a look, we have a path, and back there when I was a kid we used to play hide and seek, and this path was my favorite place to hide. If we go right here, we're gonna see a clothesline. See? Where I put my clothes here, I hang my clothes to dry. Talking about this here, this is a steep slope. So when we were kids we used to climb it, and we used to play with kites, we used to play with paper airplanes and lots of things. My aunt hangs some CDs on the clothesline to make the pigeons go away. I think it scares the pigeons. There's also a stairway here, a very huge stairway.
And she's buying,
yeah, not very huge, but for me as a kid it was huge. Alright, you can see some flowers, there's a rose here, and also a driveway. So this driveway is pretty challenging. My car doesn't go up here, but my aunt's car goes up very easily. There are many trees in this place, and when I was a kid there were even more trees. We're gonna go here and take a walk to the garden so you guys can see it. There are many dogs around. There are many cats also here. And well, this is an orange tree. There's also a lemon tree right here. There are many other trees that I have no idea what they are for, but usually my aunt plants only fruit trees. She doesn't like much the trees that don't give any fruit. And here we can see down there my car, which doesn't go up the driveway, and the beautiful landscape we have here. So that's it, guys. That's the house tour of my house where I grew up. I hope you like it, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!